Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to see how my son is going to put together or assemble his very first desktop PC. It is happening because he just got an upgrade on his gaming computer or gamer computer. He got a new Asus B550 motherboard, an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and just recently he got an NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. So now he's having a considerably better config than before. So now from those parts that were left over from his old PC, he's going to put a desktop together. Towards the end of the video, there will be some test results, so don't run away. Let's roll.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed, burning temptation, I just cannot hide it. Too much for sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave you. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Okay, boys and girls, he put this PC together or assembled it together very nicely, considering that it was his very first. Sometimes his hands were shaking because he was really excited, and yeah, but I'm proud of him, he did it nicely. Other than that, now in the test you can see the comparison, his old CPU, the 2600X, compared to the 5600X. And just for good measure, I chugged the results of my Apple Mac Mini M1's results also there. Okay, here are the test results. Don't run away. However, I say bye bye to you. So goodbye.